waiting patiently. Everybody else. We missed them. Hold on. Ah, we're filming. We're at the InterContinental Tahiti. Here's the bathroom. Ooh, look, there's a dude. So this is paid for by Hawaiian Airlines since we missed our cruise ship. There's the bedroom. And there's the lanai. Yep. 4 a.m. Papeete. Or 3. I don't know what time it is. It's 4:20. It's 4:20. Oh god. That's funny. Oh, hey, look, there's another dude. Not bad for being stuck somewhere. If you're gonna be stuck somewhere. I guess I could be stuck here. I don't know how to turn. We couldn't figure out how to turn the lights on and off. That was interesting. Never done that before. So we walked in. If you take this card out, this is your room key. If you take the card out, the lights turn off. So you have to leave. You have to leave your card key in there to have the lights stay on. Interesting.